Agero kunende kurai narito mirongo ina kuma chukura primary akathingiri kuma gisio bunge cha South Imenti bawatita NKURUKI ya Max mana na gwitia kiri Mpumira chiare kiri nende chire kiri kweda chitumira kwa ne minister kidomo na kire CUKURU wa MBERE watrita Max mana ya mirongo ile neda tomo ni gyotonde tomo tuke kare na gutonia ura CUKURU mwanya ndeni ya gisio kibude tekikerio kya Kcpe.
Nyuma ya Mpumi kigero ya Kcpe kurekerwo muthenya jonarua nituriongete skuru mwanya kumenya Mpumi ciao aria tukiambirie skuru ya Kathingiri primary goji mwana wa mbere gukarira Ryan Mutwira ari na Max 123 na akiaria mwarimu munene wa skuru eje Jocelyn Mugambi na ugite Mpumi kinya kithane bagwiritwe tubareterete akiuga bakiringithane na Mpumi nthiru bali na 50 na bana bali na Max 100 gwitia na thai bali na NKURUKI 40 bali na Max 100 gwita na mbere
atugikombea results ya last year kana mwaka muthiru no mbuge matathithia uria tura expected nondo last year anakethora tutarikia kuringa results yonde last year barabara na 400 bari 54 out kumania na 108 candidates.
No tura targeted 440 but itukurithika nontu mwana mbere in the country what 431 tukoi kuonania asha away from the highest with just 8 marks.
Kiri skuru ya Kanyakine Boys Boarding Primary murito wa mbere ukarira Ryan Muriminjero ari na Max 108 obaire ari amone mutuginyaga ari na Max 107 wa bathatu ari Anthony Murimi odo ukari na Max 105 wa bathatu ari Leon Lewis Mutweri ari na Max 104 na wa batano ari Collins ni mungani ari na Max 100 tuye kinyankobo twaliunga skuru ya Kenrame Education Center ara muritoro gutongerete agweta wa Gitonga Prince Mawira udo gukari na Max 122 na kiaria muritwa ojo ninkero na kuwiro gukunene wamwe na muciari wawe na kinyarimo na mwerekerwa skuru eje Joyce Kirae na ugite Mpumi ciao no kaigwete gita ya bakiringithane na Mpumi nthiru.
My dream school is Alliance High School. That's my school of choice. And when I grow up, I want to become a IT engineer.
Magekeno muno onto wa Maxi Prince ya gwatete.
Enda kuga all in all. Gukethira gutena discipline, gukethira gutena teamwork, gukethira gutena hard work. Kire kinya team wewe kurita ngoge both aritani support staff na kinya aritwa na aciari tutingiomba gukinyara tukinyete na kwa this day kuga proudly that we are proud of what we have done kana tugwikumiria bora tuthithetie
aja na kune skuru ya St. Anne Boarding Primary Kariene irere gishigo mbunge kya Central Imenti ara murito ambere ukaleanita Wanjeru Mwangi ari na Max 120 ada na ande bamwe bashiari ARITWA arimu na tongeria baskuru bone ne kugwerwa bakiuga kaneko kamutugo kawo kurukagia na Magita John.
My career is to be a lawyer, and my dream school was Alliance.
The main thing behind that is the vigorous effort put in by the teachers and the whole of the family of the St. Anne.
First have obtained 420 marks, and the last has gotten 304 marks. So we are very happy.
One reason of this performance is teamwork that has been displayed between the teachers and the school management. Number two, handwork of our pupils. All along, we have been in the upward trend. You are so proud as a school
to have these results.
Muthiene uju ni Anweru Kanta munene ule ni mwana wawe Makena wa Materi mukureteri gipindi kia tutharimwe kiri Kameme Kaweru FM aria munene arathomaga skuru ya Miriam Primary Kaga ethira akigwatira max 392 kiripotera nteto cia Weru riakwa rietwa ni Mutugi Kare.